Next, I'll be assessing the breath sounds on the front side of the patient's body. Also following the C pattern and making sure that there's one full breath in and out for each placement. Okay, and I also heard bronchovesicular over the sternal border area and vesicular over the periphery. And next I'll be assessing lateral breath sounds. Okay, and I heard vesicular breath sounds over the lateral areas, and there was no adventitious sounds such as wheezing or crackling.